Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome. In this tutorial, I will show you how I created this pixel stretch effect in Photoshop. Without wasting much time, let's start. So now import your image by coming to File and click on Open, or Ctrl plus O to open the file. Now I have my file here. So next we will be cutting out the image from the background. So you come here and click on select the subject. Now the subject is selected. It's not all that perfect, so you need to fix some things out. So you do it manually. So after you've done with the fixing, just hit on Ctrl J on the keyboard to make a duplicate of it. Now on hide. Now come here, select your color picker tool and pick the background color. Now select the background here, come here and create a solid background. Hit on OK. Uncheck the old background. Now select the image that we cut out, come here and select single column marquee tool. Make a selection of where you want to cut. So I made this selection. Hit on Ctrl J to cut the selection that you made. Make sure the selection is selected. Now hit on Ctrl T to bring it back. Hold on Shift and stretch it like this. Hold on T, stretch it like this. Hold on T and stretch it. Alright. So now hit on OK on the keyboard. Next, come to Filter, select Distort, and now Polar Coordinate. When this is shown, click on Rectangular to Polar, not Polar to Rectangular. So hit on OK. Hit on Ctrl T to adjust things. Hold on Shift and adjust things. And hit on OK. Now hold on it and drag it down so that we can see it. Ctrl T again to adjust it. And then make sure you adjust it well. Okay. Yeah. Now the adjustment is made. Hit on OK. Now create a max here. Then come to this tool here and click on your brush. Make sure your foreground is black, and your opacity should be 100. You can use the cruise and open arrow, then clear the side. So now select the image, come to this effects here and drop a shadow. You can move the shadow like this and then hit on OK. After then, you can bring your old shadow. So this is it. This is how to create a pixel stretch effect in Photoshop. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe so that anytime we post a video, you get notified. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.